Hello, hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. How's everything going with you? How was your Thanksgiving? Hopefully, you guys actually had great time with your family and loved ones, friends, whoever you spend the time with. And Thanksgiving. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. So, what are we doing today? I wanted to come in today because we're ending almost November. And I don't know what's happening with Instagram. I'm sorry, it's getting like the internet's going back and forth, back and forth. But if it's not going well for you guys, you can go to Facebook, YouTube, or LinkedIn. You can see me there as well. So today I'm gonna talk about year ends. What 5 steps you need to take before year ends. So we're almost few days away from December, the last month of the year. Friday will be December 1st. So what are you gonna do before then? Before year end? We still have a month to actually get whatever we didn't get done yet to get it done. So here we go. First thing I would do, and this can be like in your personal life, in your business, in your nonprofit. This works for anything, right? First step, you need to measure your year. You need to measure what happened during this year from January until now. What did you plan to happen? And what did actually happen? Were you able to achieve everything you said you were going to achieve? Where are you at right now comparing to last year? What happened during the year? Measure all of that, see what happens. So if you in your business and nonprofit, you want to measure your financials, right? You want to make sure you look at your financials, profit and loss. I'm gonna get off Instagram because it's just distracting me and it's not going well. So I'm gonna get out of Instagram. Give me 1 second because I can't really focus. This cards. All right. No Instagram. No Instagram for me today. All right. So you want to measure what happened. Like, what did you do? Did you achieve your goal that you said once you were going to achieve or not? This is really important because if you did not if you did not achieve what you said you're going to achieve, why? Did you achieve something better? Because sometimes what happens, like we say we want something, but life happens, right? Life happened and something comes up like you did not plan for, and now you have to detour and do something else. Or maybe you figure out like what you said you want to have actually is not going to work, and you figure out something much better to do, right? Or maybe there's a step to do before, and that step is going to take longer to be done in order to free yourself to get the goal you set you want to achieve done. So this is, like I said, an all level, like personal, business, and um, if you have a nonprofit organization. Now, on your business and nonprofit, you want to measure, you want to make sure you've done your bookkeeping. If you have not done your bookkeeping, you can still do your bookkeeping right now. It's not going to be as easy. I don't know how long it's going to take for you to get your books up to date if you're just starting right now, but at least you're going to get it up to date right before tax season, because you're going to need that information in order to file an accurate returns. You're not going to um, guess your numbers. The accountant who's going to do your taxes is not going to guess your number. You have to provide those information. And if you are doing bookkeeping, you'll be able to provide that information. Perfect information. So if in your business, you're not going to lose deduction, you're going to get benefit from whatever you were doing. and your nonprofit, you're going to make sure that you're reporting the accurate information so you don't have to pay penalty or get audited just because you're not filing an accurate information. So that is step number one, is to measure what you have achieved until now. Now, if you found like there's something still you did not achieve, maybe a financial goal or something else, you still have December, right? It's not too late. So this is the perfect time to look into that, because you still have a whole month and you can do more than you think in 1 month if you are working for it. I know for a lot of you, like it's time for holidays and you want to relax with family, but it's also a time actually of giving if you are a nonprofit, a time actually to do tax planning, to get your business together, to plan for next year. So you want to make sure you do not ignore these things. Yes, enjoy your time, have time with your family and friends, have time for yourself, of course. That's very important because we don't want to forget our personal growth while we're doing our project, whether that project, like I said, a nonprofit or business or anything that you are planning to do. You want to make sure that you're doing your personal growth, because let me tell you, if you are a business owner, well, I'm gonna stop like saying nonprofit and business, because a nonprofit, we agree on nonprofit is a business. So I'm gonna just say business, and that goes for everything. So if you are growing a business, your personal growth and your personal issues will contribute so much into growing your business. So if you are struggling, that means there's something in your personal growth that you need to work on. You're not going to do the breakthrough until you work on those issues. So you don't want to forget your personal growth. You have to make sure you actually work onto that, into that. And then so this is step one, measure. And then reflection. You want to reflect on what happened in this year. Like, what happened? What could you do better? If something happened that you did not like, how did you react to it? Why didn't you achieve this goal, not the other goal? Reflect on every single thing. And make sure, like, step three is actually writing everything down. You want to write down everything. So of course, if you're measuring your financial growth, that's going to be numbers growth and QuickBook and Excel sheet, whatever like you're using. Hopefully, if you're nonprofit, and I mean, if you are on business, you want to have your bookkeeping done. So it's not going to be Excel sheets, but like for your personal, for other stuff, like Excel is nice and great. uh, and then, but for other stuff, you want to reflect, write them down, whether in your notebook, your Word document, whatever it is you're using, you need to write stuff down to make sure what happened. So you can avoid that, avoid any mistake, and actually um, double down on anything that worked, right? So this is what you need to be doing. So measure, reflect, and write down everything. Number four, I guess, plan. So you want to plan your next year. So have a guide where to start, right? A lot of people ask where to start. You're going to start with what do you want to see, your dream, and start. Okay, if you want to achieve that dream or that number on revenue or donations or whatever it is, you want to reflect on what do you have to do in order to get that? What do you have to do in order to achieve that goal? Who do you have to be in order to get that? This is really important. Again, like you don't want to forget your personal growth. So Planning in your personal level, meaning write down everything, make sure that document you can go back to every time. Maybe who do you need to work with? Maybe a coach, personal coach, business coach, whatever it is. Maybe you need to read certain books. Maybe you need to join certain clubs. If you want to like work on your body and appearance, maybe you need to join the gym. Probably you join the gym and your money on the only one who goes there. You want to start join your money and go to the gym. And then this is just some examples. So it's your dream, so you're gonna actually put that dream and stop doing that like every year, a new year resolution, and just leave that and never look at it. No, you want to start working on that from now, today. Do even one step towards what you want to do every day. What you want to achieve, do one thing, no matter how small or big it is. What matters is you're moving towards your goal, you're moving toward what you want to achieve. So planning is a big part of it, because when you see the plan in front of your eyes, you're going to actually know what are the steps you need to take in order to achieve that goal, in order to reach that goal. So these are really important steps. I kind of um, sold you like the two last steps, planning and taking action. So measure this year, reflect on what happened, and then write down everything, plan, and take action. Those are the 5 steps that gonna allow you to achieve any goal in a personal level, in a business level, or any level that you want to achieve. So this is the perfect time. We are now November 27th, so it's really perfect time to start working on that, because if you still want to achieve something now this year, you still have a whole month. It might not seem a long time, but you can do a lot. You can move closer to what you want to achieve. So also for you guys who might have to pay a lot of taxes, it's a good time to do tax planning, so you can actually have a lot of strategies to save on taxes rather than just pay it to the IRS. And I can talk about tax planning in a whole different video, because I know I talk about it a lot, but still a lot of people have questions about tax planning and they're not really understanding what tax planning is and how can you benefit from. No, it's not gathering your paper to do your taxes. It's something else. So it's the entire product that we do actually offer at Noura's Books, and a lot of other professionals also offer. So it's not what you might think. So we can talk about this later. But today I just wanted to remind you that you still have time to achieve what you did not achieve yet. And it's a great time to reflect and look at where are you at right now. Another thing I want to actually remind you of, if you are in nonprofit, Giving Tuesday. Giving Tuesday is tomorrow. Make sure you participate. Make sure you participate, even if you don't think people are going to donate to you. At least using the hashtag, participating in the campaign will raise awareness about your nonprofit. So make sure you actually participate. And if you are not in nonprofits, support those nonprofits, support the nonprofit on your that you choose. If you're still not sure what to do, I do have a training. It's actually very short training on for Giving Tuesday. Yeah, you're kind of late, but there's still stuff you can do. And in that training, I have like templates you can use for Canva to do your social media posts. And yes, you want to be on social media all day long tomorrow. You want to be on video. You want to have multiple posts. You want to be existent. You want to be using the hashtag. So make sure you do not lose this opportunity, okay? If you have any question, feel free to reach out. But for now, you can actually go to Giving Tuesday. So I have the link on the screen. You can go to Giving Tuesday training, and then you actually can go through my website, nourasbooks.com/store. And there you're going to find the Giving Tuesday training. It's a very very reasonable amount to pay, like just to get the training, and you can benefit from it. And it's going to benefit you not only for Giving Tuesday, for any campaign you want to run, you want to prepare for. It's going to give you the guidelines so you can be focused and not actually distracted. So go ahead and get it if you need actually some help with that. And if you are not a nonprofit but you know someone who's struggling, you can give them that as a gift. Just purchase it and let me know what, actually sign up in their email or email us to let us know, to give access to a certain email that, and send us the receipts so we know that you are the one who got the training for that person, so we can give access to. Like I said, it has templates, it has everything. So feel free to actually sign up for that. And you have, as long as that exists, you're going to have access to. And whenever we upgrade it, you will have access to the upgrade. If you need other help, tax planning, bookkeeping, CFO services, like anything for measuring, putting the budget for next year, actually getting the budget done and making sure you have a guideline for next year, feel free to reach out. You can book a call with me and my team at nourisbooks.com/contact. I put the link over here, and you can actually jump on a call. We can meet on Zoom and see how can we work together and if we are a good fit. Yeah, that's all for today. I would love to hear back from you, and I can't wait to talk to you. Good luck for you guys tomorrow on Giving Tuesday, and good luck for everyone by ending the year strong. And hopefully you are setting yourself to success from now so you can have a wonderful 2024. All right, have a great day. See you later.